Purchasing a property can be overwhelming, and the mortgage process can be confusing. Being prepared and understanding the basic process can really help. Before you start looking for a home or investment property, there are several details to consider, such as how much can I borrow? What costs are involved? How much deposit do I require? Should I get pre-approval? How much you can borrow will depend on several factors, including your income, what you are buying, a home or investment, your eligibility for a homeowner grant, if you're a first-time buyer, your other loan repayments and commitments. Another important factor to consider is how comfortable you are financially to repay the proposed loan. It is important that you do not overstretch yourself, so it's best if you sit down and work out a budget and understand how much you have left over to repay a loan comfortably. You should also factor in interest rate movements, as this will affect your repayment amount. You will need to have a deposit before you are able to purchase a property. There are many options available in relation to how much you will need to come up with as a deposit. Depending on your situation, it could vary from 3 to 20%. Sitting down with your trusted mortgage professional will ensure you know which options are available to you. There is more to purchasing a property than just paying a deposit. Some of the other costs would include 1. Stamp duty. This is a government cost that is usually the biggest expense outside the purchasing price of the property. Stamp duty varies between the states and territories. For guidance on what the approximate stamp duty cost would be in your state, go to www.stampdutycalculator.com.au. 2. Loan setup costs include establishment fees and will vary depending on the lender and the loan product chosen. It is important to note that you may also require lender's mortgage insurance, LMI, depending on your deposit side. 3. Conveyancing costs. These are to cover the cost of your conveyancer reviewing your contract of sale, ensuring appropriate checks are conducted on the property with local government agencies, and handling the process of transferring the property's ownership from the current owner to you. 4. Inspection costs. It is always recommended that prior to purchasing a property, you hire professionals to inspect the property for structural defects, concerns, pest infestations, and anything else that could potentially cause damage to your property. Lastly, it is really important that you obtain a pre-approval before you start looking for a property. Conditional pre-approval is an indication from a lender that you're eligible to apply for a home loan up to a certain limit. It can show sellers that you're serious about buying, and you can be confident that you can afford the property. Why not speak with a mortgage professional today about getting a pre-approval?